right, so that was just some motivation to show you some applications and some use cases of why features are required. Now, let's try to cover some points like what kind of features we want to extract and what should be like some good characteristics of these features. So the first point is these features should be distinctive. So by distinctive, the idea is like if you're extracting some feature from a location in your image, it should be different from like any other feature you're extracting from the same image. Because if you don't do that, then there is kind of redundancy and it's not like a unique representation of that image. Okay, for example, like for the sky region, I mean, you can extract features from all the locations, but the features won't change, I mean, because it's kind of a flat surface, right? So all the features will be almost similar. So it's not kind of distinctive as compared to like these dots over here, which are shown. So all of these will be different because you have different kind of texture in these regions. Okay, so that's one property. The second is repeatability. And the idea here is if you have an algorithm which can extract features from a given image, so no matter how many times you try, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 1,000 times, the extracted features should not change. Okay, so that's called repeatability, because if the extracted features are changing with every iteration, then they are not consistent, they're not useful, right? So they have to be consistent. And the third characteristic is they should be compact and they should be like efficient to extract. So by compact, it means that if you're extracting features from, let's say, a video, it should require less memory than the actual video. Otherwise, you can just save that video itself, right? So for example, the example I showed you earlier, when we were extracting those key points, it was a compressed format. Okay. And it's not just about saving memory, it's also about the generalization capability of those features. And we'll talk about some of those things later on. The second part is efficiency. It should be efficient when you are running that algorithm to extract features. Okay. Because it could be like you have a very, very nice algorithm, very perfect algorithm, but if it takes, let's say, 2 years to extract features from one image, it's useless. We don't need that, right? It doesn't matter how perfect that is. So in terms of computational cost, it should be efficient. And again, that varies from application to application. If you have like some kind of real-time application, then it should be like pretty fast, right, in nanoseconds or in milliseconds. So, but it should be efficient. Okay, so this I think we just covered. This is also fine.